In today's tutorial, we are going to make some hand sanitizer. Hi friends, welcome back to So Obvious. I'm Apollinar. If you watched last week's video, then you remember that I mentioned that we are running low on supplies such as face masks, toilet paper, and hand sanitizer. Everyone's freaking out and buying all these things, which means that there's people now going to the store trying to get these things and they are no longer available. So I figured today I'd show you guys how to make some hand sanitizer that you can use at home. Before we get started, I do want to make a disclaimer that we should not be using hand sanitizer solely to protect ourselves from viruses like the coronavirus. We should really be using hand washing as our main form of defense, and hand sanitizer should be used as a backup when we don't have soap and water readily available for us to use. Another disclaimer is that homemade hand sanitizer should be one of your last resources. I'm just showing you guys this because even when I was looking for the supplies to make this hand sanitizer, I was having a hard time finding them. So let's get started. In order for hand sanitizer to be effective against something like the coronavirus, it has to be at least 60% alcohol. So you have to find specific types of alcohol. I'm going to be using the 91% isopropyl alcohol. If you can get up to 99%, that would actually work better. We're going to be mixing it with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is great because it helps with things like moisture in our hands, sunburns, that kind of stuff. So it'll offset some of the harshness of the alcohol that we're going to be using. And then also we are going to be using some essential oils. I chose to use the sweet orange, but you can use peppermint, lavender, anything you want. This is more just so that we don't walk around with our hands smelling like pure alcohol. And then of course we'll need containers to put all of our hand sanitizer into. Now I feel like this should go without saying, but in the last couple of weeks, humans have not been bringing their A game in the brains category, so I'm going to say it anyway. But make sure that the utensils you are using to create your hand sanitizer are clean. I washed these right before starting this video. The hand sanitizer we are going to be making is going to be 2 parts alcohol, 1 part aloe vera. So we are going to fill this 1 cup container all the way up with alcohol, and then we're going to go and put it in the bowl. Then we're going to take half a cup of aloe vera and add it to our bowl. That's our alcohol. Now we are going to do half a cup of the aloe vera. The half a cup is this line right here. Here we have about a half a cup. Now I'm going to mix them a little bit just to thicken it up. Now we're going to add our essential oil. Now when I looked online for the essential oil, some people are saying do about 12 drops. Some people are saying do about 15 depending on the oil that you're using. I'm going to start with 12 and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I got 12 drops of oil, half a cup of aloe vera, and a cup of the 91% alcohol. Now we're going to mix it until it becomes more gel-like. This might take a little while. So here I have it all fully mixed. As you can see, it's a little bit gel-like, but still watery. And just FYI, I ended up adding the 15 drops because the orange scent wasn't really that strong. So maybe use like a peppermint so it's a little bit stronger so you don't have to use as many drops. Now we are going to put our hand sanitizer in something that has a little lip like this so that we can pour. Now when I went to the store, I couldn't find any of the bottles that have like the spray lid because this hand sanitizer is actually pretty watery, and the bottles with the lids, with the spray lids, would have actually worked a lot better than these here. Now let's make sure that you label it hand sanitizer. I don't want anyone thinking it's something else. And here you have a little bottle of hand sanitizer. Let's give it a little try. You're gonna pour a little bit into your hand. Go. And now you're just going to rub it until your hands are completely dry. Yep, smells like alcohol. But again, I will reiterate that nothing beats washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This should really only be used if you cannot get to soap and water immediately. If you like today's video, make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram on @apolylook. There I post some of my upcoming projects and any other videos that I'll be posting on here. If you didn't like today's video, then go to your bathroom, turn on the hot water, put your hands into the water, put some soap, lather them up for at least 20 seconds, get the back, the front, between your fingers, under your nails, all that crap. 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday to yourself twice. Or you could simply like the video. Both, actually. You should probably do both. Okay, bye.